Obviously, on the brake.
On the brake.
Don't do this as I said.
Okay. You want to let it go. I'm doing what you told me to do.
You're skipping a lot of steps here.
Just gas to the floor.
Gas the fuck out of it.
Okay.
First time swinging a Hellcat.
He's going to tell me what to do. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, do I need my seatbelt? It's that type of time?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
If she feathers, she ain't gonna red line. She's gonna have to learn to feather. Come on, let's go. You ain't trying to be cool. Stay in line right here. That's not the point. Them shit's gonna fly clean off your face. Pull up some more.
Oh, damn.
You need to calm it down.
Listen, I have an RT, sir.
You going with this right here. Yeah, you going with a cool 5.
I see him.
Listen,
How you treating me?
500 is plenty to do this in.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
So I'll put it in manual.
Right. Scoot up some more because you're going to have to.
You have to really have control.
Yeah, you're going to have to keep control.
Okay.
You feel like you're going to be able to not like it. All right. So put your left foot, obviously, on the brake.
On the brake.
Don't do this as I said.
Okay.
You're going to put your foot on the gas. It's a Hellcat, so it's not going to take much to start spinning.
Okay.
Cut your wheel right now.
Okay.
And when you go, you don't want to do it that much because you know why.
Okay.
So mash on the gas, and as soon as you start feeling the wheel spinning, like you're doing a burnout, let go of the brake.
Left foot on the brake. Right foot, I'm gonna give it gas. I'm gonna go like this, pump the gas.
Yeah, you're gonna
feather the
feather
gas.
it.
Feather the gas.
You don't want your RPMs to go all the way to the 6. Trust.
Okay, so
Go, cut the wheel. Right there, that's straight. Do the burnout.
you wanna let it go. I'm doing what you told me to do.
No, you gotta like mash the gas so it can start a burnout.
Oh,
You
I
gotta
never
build
did a
up the
burnout
power.
before. You gotta tell me what to do.
Exactly.
Okay.
You're skipping a lot of
So-
steps here.
Just gas to the floor.
Gas the fuck out of it.
Okay.
Keep gassing it. Put your foot on that
I don't like this. You're not a good instructor.
shit. Mash your foot.
My foot is all the way down to the floor.
Let go. Go to the middle.
Do it again.
Yeah, but go over there.
So, question. When I do this, I have to stop each time. Like when they're sliding and going in a
Stop here.
circle. When they go in reverse, they don't have to hit the... Okay, so like
You
I
take
spin
your
this
foot
way.
completely off the brake. You don't touch the brake again.
Right, and then I'm going to go like this. And when I turn the wheel this way, I'm just going to gas it more. I don't have to hit the brake again.
No.
Okay,
No, cut the wheel now.
cut the wheel now.
Yeah. And if you feel like you're getting too close to over there, stop.
Okay.
Go.
I don't make no smoke like you.
Because you don't know what you're doing yet.
Oh, okay. So learn to spin first,
Yeah,
then
you
we're
learn how different quality anyway.
I'm gonna hop out.
What up, little homie?
He said, "Yo, hop out."
I'm gonna hop out. Appreciate you, brother. Y'all got the CarLock on? What up, bro?
What's
Good with you? Yes, sir. How about you? Can't even see him.
He said, I can't even see.
I can't.